10 reasons why the last multiplayer session was an epic fail. Jerry stalled, I stalled, Josh ran into Air Force One, Game Spy, lag, connection issues, we started late, people couldn't join due to incompatible versions of FSX, doors that were closed appeared to be open and vice versa, and finally, I set fraps to record from my speakers instead of from my microphone.
Rotates.
About to depart runway
And
1 right. November 001.
What's the heading that we're flying on?
Runway 1 right.
Jerry, what heading you flying on?
I'll tell you that in just a minute. I'm flying GPS heading, so.
Alright. Oh shoot. Just went out of my game.
Holy crap, I just see a ton of aircraft flying. Josh, are you seriously gonna follow me for 747?
Why not?
Oh my gosh. Wow.
What's the airport? What's the airport code? CY.
CYTR.
Trenton, Ontario. Right.
I'll be cruising at 28,000 feet. They're not open. They're not open.
Wow.
Well, not.
Well, are your doors open?
No, they're not, dude. Okay, watch. I'm gonna open and close them right now, okay? Okay, they're open now. No, they're open.
Yeah, they're open.
Just leave them open so they look closed. Seriously.
Attention all aircraft. Air Force One has explosive decompression.
All passenger on board, you might die. Sorry.
Okay, are they
Have fun.
open now? Oh my gosh, I have to keep my doors open to keep yours closed? What kind of crap is this? Why do I see a ton of aircraft still, like, really far behind me?
Yeah, and Chase, I figured out for that F-14
Holy.
that Cessna has, you can fly it without acceleration. Oh. Boeing
Oh, yeah, I see him.
747. Yeah, I see him.
Coast Guard somebody.
Yeah. What altitude are you at right now?
275.
And now we're
Alright.
and some random guy is paused. Okay.
Attention all aircraft, Air Force One is leveling off at flight level 280. Once again, leveling off at flight level 280, cruising at 330 indicated speed. We've got 225 miles out, 27 minutes ETA. Yeah. Attention all aircraft, escorting Air Force One. We are about to do a fighter jet formation. Please come near me right now. Thank you.
Check your pressurization systems. Because if this was even close to near real life, you probably would have blacked out or passed out by now.
And died.
Oh, cause the door?
Yeah. There's no air to breathe. I want to give him a message. GTFO out of my way when I'm getting there. I'm filing this manual.
Josh, you realize if this was real life, you'd be smacked down by my wake turbulence?
I'm already getting pushed enough. Like when I'm trying to climb, it gives me too much lift. So when I go down, it like drops the lift.
I know. Attention all aircraft, we are 200 miles out.
No.
See, look at that. The lift's dropping me again. Now it's gonna bring me too high again.
Dude, you're about to run into the FA-18, dude. Oh my gosh. Josh, do not run into me. Josh!
Josh is pretty spoilers.
Josh! What are you doing? Yeah, I see his spoilers up too, dude.
What?
Josh, what are you doing?
I'm not gonna
What's
hit you.
Raw tag your
Oh
first
my
one.
gosh, Josh.
I'm not gonna hit you, dude.
Whoa.
Stop freaking out. I'm not gonna hit you. I see your doors open.
Yeah, I see your doors.
Look at that.
open.
This is formation flying right here.
Delta
I'm
fan,
flying
oh,
this manual
Delta fan, no.
too.
Oh my gosh. This looks epic. I'm not
Dude, look
gonna.
how close I am. Oh god. No. No, 747.
Oh, you just crashed into me.
No, I didn't.
Just die right now.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Dude,
Oh
your
my-
aircraft
no.
is shaking. Oh my gosh.
I just like hit a huge patch of turbulence and I almost hit you.
Crap, now I just went in front. Dang it. Dive, dive, dive.
I'm still like shocked seeing your door open.
In real life, my thrust would be hitting you right now. Dude, that looks epic. Oh my gosh, look what he's doing. Look at Josh.
I'm right under him.
That's epic.
Yep. You can see that? That's crazy.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I can barely fly this thing out of cockpit.
Nice stop.